St. Charles County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Paul, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Lake St. Louis, Bridgeton, Garden Prairie, Weldon Spring, Cotlerville, St. Paul, Portage des Sioux, Harvester, Orchard Farms, Brussels, Deer Plain, Canville, and Golden Eagle. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 216 and 229. This also includes First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.